We're going to do a stock analysis on SoundHound AI. We have a Piotrowski score of 2, which means that SoundHound's financials are not the best just yet, but that doesn't mean SoundHound has poor future guidance. In fact, SoundHound has one of the best future guidance out there with its goal of developing independent voice AI solution that enables businesses across automotive, customer service, TV, food industry, etc., etc. The sector that SoundHound is in is technology. We have 260 full-time employees. Target high price is $26 and target low price is $6. Looking at the institutional ownership chart, we can see that there is a consistent uptrend, meaning that institutions are buying more and more SoundHound each month. Looking at the latest news headlines for SoundHound, we see that SoundHound has a price target increased by 21% by one analyst to $9.98. And then these three news later on are old news, so we do not have to regard that. Looking at the EPS history of SoundHound, we can see that SoundHound has beaten the last quarter by 17%. We have 3 quarters that are in the red, and in 2024, 2 of the 3 quarters that have been reported are green, only 1 quarter is a miss. Looking at the EPS chart, we can see that in 2023, although they missed those two earnings, they were quite close to expectation, which is why they are in the green. We can see that SoundHound has consistently performed and the EPS is on an uptrend. Looking at the insider selling of SoundHound, we can see that this is the total insider activity. There are a total of 6 million buys and a total sales of 63 million. We have a net negative 56 million. Some of the sales include Marcus Lawrence, which made a sale of 20,000 shares at $20.47 on December 23rd. However, this could be a response to personal financial planning, so this is nothing to be worried about. We have Soroka Diana, notable insider at SoundHound AI, sold 3,402 shares at $22 each. Without evidence of issues at SoundHound or Soroka's negativity, it's not signaling a concern. We have Mohair Kevan, who is a key executive at SoundHound, CEO, sale of 2,000 shares on December 24 at $21 could indicate a potential concern. However, it's only 2,000 shares and it may just be taking profits at $21. 2,000 shares is very little compared to what he has, so I don't think that's anything to be worried about. Looking at the insider buying history or purchasing history for SoundHound, we can see that these are all from 2023 of 3,000 shares, 2023 of 3,000 shares, and 2022 of 20,000 shares. So no significant buying from the insiders recently. Looking at the option sentiment of SoundHound or the put call ratio, we can see that the put call ratio for SoundHound is currently 0.64, which means that there's currently a bullish sentiment for SoundHound. A put call ratio below 1 means that it's bullish, while put call ratio above 1 means that it's bearish. Asking AI, where do you see SoundHound in 2025? We can see a response telling us that it's going to be a leading player in the AI-driven voice recognition. We are going to have revenue growth and profitability. We are going to have industry growth, competition, and innovation. SoundHound is competing in a space dominated by giants like Amazon and Google. In addition, we're going to have partnerships and strategic alliances. We're going to be looking for key partnerships with one of the fast food chains like McDonald's, etc. Furthermore, we're going to have valuation and stock performance. So SoundHound stock is relatively volatile, largely driven by speculative interest. By 2025, it's going to achieve scale and improve profitability. So the key risk involved with SoundHound is competition. There's fierce competition from big tech companies such as Amazon, Google, and Apple. There might be execution risks, such as able to scale its technology while remaining profitability. We're going to have a technological change. So the pace of innovation in AI and voice recognition is rapid, and SoundHound must be a leading player in order to maintain its lead. In conclusion, SoundHound is going to continue growing. I think it's a good stock to own. Looking at the Fear and Greed Index, we see that the market is currently at fear of 29, which means that if the market improves in its sentiment, we could possibly see SoundHound's price jump to $20 plus per share. That's all for SoundHound. I believe SoundHound is a 100% buy. I think a fair price for SoundHound by the end of 2025 would be around $30 to $40, which represents a 200% increase from today's price. Thanks for watching.